Imagine a crab so big it can climb trees. A crab with claws powerful enough to crack open coconuts. This is the coconut crab, the largest land invertebrate on Earth. These incredible creatures can grow to over 3 feet across and weigh up to 9 pounds. Their size and strength are matched by their unusual life cycle and ecological importance. The coconut crab is truly a marvel of nature. It spends most of its life on land, only returning to the sea to release its eggs. This adaptation to a terrestrial life is unique among crabs. It has developed special organs called branchiostegal lungs, which allow it to breathe air. These lungs are located in the upper part of the crab's gill chambers and are lined with moist tissue that extracts oxygen from the air. The coconut crab's appearance is as striking as its size. Its exoskeleton is a mottled blue-gray, providing camouflage amongst the rocks and trees of its island home. 10 sturdy legs propel it across the forest floor, while 2 powerful claws are used for defense, feeding, and even climbing. It's a sight that inspires awe and wonder, a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet. These remarkable crabs are found on islands across the Indian and Pacific Oceans. From the Seychelles to the Cook Islands, they inhabit tropical and subtropical regions. They prefer islands with dense vegetation, providing ample shade and hiding places. The coconut crab is a solitary creature, spending its days foraging for food and seeking shelter in burrows or amongst the roots of trees. The ideal coconut crab habitat is characterized by sandy beaches, rocky coastlines, and lush forests. These environments provide a variety of resources for the crab to exploit. They require access to both land and sea, as they rely on the ocean for breeding and early development. The presence of coconut palms is, of course, essential, as the fruit of these trees forms a significant part of their diet. The coconut crab is a master of its island domain. It is an adept climber, scaling trees with ease to reach ripe coconuts. Its powerful claws can tear open the tough husks, allowing it to access the nutritious flesh within. This remarkable ability has earned it the nickname robber crab in some regions, as it is known to make off with unattended coconuts. Its presence on these islands is a vital part of the ecosystem, contributing to the dispersal of seeds and the recycling of nutrients. The most impressive feature of the coconut crab is undoubtedly its claws. These formidable appendages are not only strong but also incredibly versatile. They are used for a variety of tasks, from defense to feeding to climbing. The claws are capable of generating a remarkable amount of force, allowing the crab to crush bones, tear apart fruit, and even lift objects many times its own weight. The crushing power of the coconut crab's claws is legendary. Studies have shown that they can exert a force of over 3,000 newtons, which is equivalent to the weight of a small car. This incredible strength allows them to crack open the hard shells of coconuts, which are notoriously difficult to penetrate. The crab uses its smaller claw to pierce the coconut's eyes, the soft spots on the husk, before bringing its larger claw down with crushing force. The claws are also essential for defense. When threatened, the coconut crab will raise its claws in a menacing display, ready to strike if necessary. The sheer size and power of these appendages are often enough to deter potential predators. The crab's claws are also used for communication. They produce a loud clicking sound that can be heard over considerable distances. This clicking is thought to be used to establish territory and attract mates. While the coconut crab is famed for its coconut cracking abilities, its diet is surprisingly diverse. These opportunistic omnivores are not limited to the fruits of the coconut palm. They will consume a wide variety of foods including fruits, nuts, seeds, carrion, and even other crabs. Their adaptable nature allows them to thrive in environments where food sources may be limited or unpredictable. The coconut crab's sense of smell is highly developed, allowing it to locate food from afar. They are attracted to the sweet scent of ripe fruit and can detect the odor of decaying flesh from considerable distances. This scavenging behavior plays an important role in the ecosystem as it helps to clean up dead animals and prevent the spread of disease. Their ability to consume a variety of food sources makes them a valuable part of the island's delicate food web. The coconut crab is not a fussy eater. It will readily consume whatever food is available, whether it be fallen fruit, discarded scraps, or even the carcasses of other animals. This adaptability is crucial for its survival, particularly during periods of drought or food scarcity. The crab's diverse diet also ensures that it receives a wide range of nutrients, contributing to its overall health and longevity. The coconut crab's scavenging habits are not merely opportunistic, but essential for its survival. In the harsh, competitive environment of the island, food sources can be scarce and unpredictable. The ability to locate and consume carrion provides a valuable source of protein and other nutrients when other food options are limited. This scavenging behavior also contributes to the overall health of the ecosystem by removing decaying matter and preventing the spread of disease. The coconut crab's keen sense of smell allows it to detect the faintest whiff of decay from afar. It will travel considerable distances to reach a potential food source, often venturing into the depths of the forest or along the rocky coastline. Once it has located its prize, the crab will use its powerful claws to tear apart the carcass, consuming both flesh and bone. This efficient scavenging behavior ensures that nothing goes to waste. The coconut crab's role as a scavenger is not without its challenges. It must compete with other scavengers such as birds and reptiles for access to food. It must also be wary of predators such as large lizards and snakes, which may see the crab itself as a potential meal. Despite these risks, the coconut crab's scavenging behavior is a vital part of its survival strategy, allowing it to thrive in a demanding environment. The coconut crab shares its island home with a diverse array of other creatures. From colorful birds to agile lizards, the island ecosystem is a vibrant tapestry of life. The coconut crab's interactions with its neighbors are complex and fascinating, ranging from competition for resources to mutualistic relationships. Understanding these interactions is crucial for appreciating the delicate balance of island life. One of the coconut crab's most notable neighbors is the hermit crab. These smaller crustaceans often rely on the coconut crab's shell-cracking abilities to access food. Hermit crabs are unable to open coconuts themselves, so they will wait for a coconut crab to crack one open and then scavenge the leftover flesh. This relationship, while seemingly one-sided, actually benefits both parties. The hermit crab gains access to a valuable food source, while the coconut crab is relieved of the task of consuming every last morsel of the coconut. The coconut crab also interacts with a variety of bird species. Some birds, such as crows and ravens, are known to steal food from the crab, taking advantage of its slow movements and vulnerable position while feeding. Other birds, such as pigeons and doves, may benefit from the crab's presence, feeding on the scraps of fruit and seeds that the crab leaves behind. These interactions highlight the complex web of relationships that exist within the island ecosystem. The coconut crab's life cycle is as remarkable as its size and strength. It begins with tiny eggs, laid by the female in the sea. These eggs hatch into larvae that spend their early days drifting in the ocean currents. After several molts, the larvae develop into small crabs that resemble miniature versions of their parents. These young crabs then make their way to land, where they will spend the rest of their lives. The transition from sea to land is a perilous journey for the young coconut crab. They must navigate the surf zone, avoiding predators and seeking out suitable habitat. Once on land, they face new challenges, such as finding food and shelter. The young crabs grow rapidly, molting their exoskeletons multiple times as they increase in size. Each molt leaves them vulnerable, as their new exoskeleton takes time to harden. As the coconut crabs mature, they develop their characteristic size and strength. They become adept climbers, able to scale trees with ease to reach ripe coconuts. Their powerful claws become formidable weapons, used for defense, feeding, and even cracking open the toughest of shells. The coconut crab's life cycle is a testament to its adaptability and resilience, showcasing its ability to thrive in both marine and terrestrial environments. The coconut crab is not merely a fascinating creature, it plays a vital role in the health and functioning of its island ecosystem. It is what ecologists call an ecosystem engineer, meaning it significantly modifies its environment, creating habitats and influencing the distribution of resources. Its activities have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem, impacting the lives of countless other organisms. One of the key ways in which the coconut crab influences its environment is through its seed dispersal activities. As it moves about the forest, foraging for food, it inadvertently carries seeds from one location to another. This dispersal of seeds is crucial for the regeneration of the forest, ensuring the survival of plant species and maintaining the diversity of the ecosystem. The crab's digging activities also contribute to soil aeration and nutrient cycling, further enriching the forest floor. The coconut crab's scavenging behavior also has significant ecological implications. By consuming carrion, it removes decaying matter from the environment, preventing the buildup of harmful bacteria and reducing the risk of disease transmission. This scavenging activity also releases nutrients back into the soil, further enriching the ecosystem. The coconut crab's role as a scavenger is a vital part of the island's natural recycling system, ensuring the continued health and productivity of the ecosystem. Despite its size and strength, the coconut crab faces a number of threats to its survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and development is a major concern, as it reduces the crab's foraging grounds and nesting sites. Over-harvesting for food is another significant threat, as the crab's meat is considered a delicacy in some cultures. Climate change also poses a risk, as rising sea levels and extreme weather events can impact the crab's coastal habitat. Conservation efforts are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of the coconut crab. Protecting its habitat through the establishment of reserves and the implementation of sustainable land management practices is essential. Regulating harvesting through size limits and seasonal closures can help to prevent overexploitation. Raising awareness about the crab's ecological importance can foster greater appreciation for this unique creature and encourage its protection. The future of the coconut crab depends on the actions we take today. By understanding the threats it faces and implementing effective conservation measures, we can ensure that this remarkable creature continues to thrive for generations to come. The coconut crab is a symbol of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth, and its survival is a testament to our commitment to protecting our planet's natural heritage. The coconut crab's presence on these islands is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists within nature. As we venture into these fragile ecosystems, we must do so with respect and understanding. The coconut crab is not a monster to be feared, but a fascinating creature that deserves our admiration and protection. By appreciating its role in the ecosystem and taking steps to ensure its survival, we can contribute to the well-being of these unique island environments. Living in harmony with nature requires a shift in perspective. We must move away from the notion that humans are separate from nature and embrace the understanding that we are an integral part of the web of life. The coconut crab, with its unique adaptations and ecological importance, is a valuable member of this web. Its survival depends on our ability to coexist peacefully, respecting its needs and ensuring its continued place in the island ecosystem. The key to living in harmony with nature lies in education and awareness. By learning about the creatures that share our planet, we can develop a deeper appreciation for their value and importance. We can also learn how our actions impact these creatures and take steps to minimize our negative impacts. The coconut crab, with its fascinating life cycle and ecological significance, is a powerful ambassador for the importance of environmental stewardship. The coconut crab is a testament to nature's boundless creativity. Its unique adaptations, from its powerful claws to its air-breathing lungs, enable it to thrive in a challenging environment. Its life cycle, spanning both land and sea, is a marvel of biological engineering. Its ecological role as both seed disperser and scavenger highlights its importance in maintaining the health and balance of the island ecosystem. The coconut crab is a reminder that nature is full of surprises. It challenges our assumptions about what is possible and inspires us to learn more about the world around us. Its existence is a testament to the power of evolution, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. As we continue to explore our planet and unravel its mysteries, we can be certain that nature will continue to amaze us with its endless creativity. The coconut crab is more than just a large crustacean. It is a symbol of the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving the delicate balance of nature. Its story is a call to action, urging us to protect this incredible creature and the fragile ecosystems it calls home. By taking steps to ensure the coconut crab's survival, we are not only safeguarding a remarkable species, but also preserving a vital part of our planet's natural heritage.